Hi there. So many of you have actually messaged me and requested an eye tutorial for this beautiful little palette here, which is the Beauty Crock Birthday, which I got in the Black Friday sale. Oh, there we go. So I am going to show you how I would do my eye makeup for an everyday look. So first I'm going to go in with my eye base, which is the P. Louise Rumour, and I am going to carve out my eyebrows and put this all over my eye area because I've got a lot of red and blue going on due to old age. And I want to cancel out any previous colour that's on there so that I get the true colour of the products I'm using. I have to say all of these colours are absolutely beautiful, but I'm going to go in with this one as a contour, which will hopefully give me more of an eyelid because I've got a very hooded eye today. I'm then going in with the really light shade and bringing that up to my eyebrow. I'm also using the really light colour on my eyelid. Right, I'm now going to line my eyes with that beautiful sort of dark coffee espresso colour there. I'm just going to literally go over the top of my eye and give myself a little flick. Right, now I want to sort of create a V on the outer corners, and that will actually just lift the outer corners up and make my eyes look a lot more wide open. I'm going to use this colour here. Where are we? That one there. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to tie it all together now. I'm going to go in with that colour again. There, let's have a look. There. And I'm going to go underneath my eye this time. And now I'm just going to literally get a really nice fluffy brush and I am going to blend the whole lot. I don't really want any harsh lines, so I'm just blending the whole lot together so that it seamlessly goes from one colour to the next. Blending is the key to a good look. Going in with my Tarte Smolder Eyes, I'm just going to tight line now in the upper waterline. Just going in with my Mally eyebrow pencil now. Just going to brush those and just fill in the little gaps I've got. There. Going in with my L'Oreal concealer now. I'm not using mascara at the moment because my eyelashes are reacting to it. So I haven't forgotten, I'm just kind of avoiding wearing it at the moment. But yeah, just gonna conceal under my eyes. I'm not having a great day today. I've woken up with hooded eyelids and really baggy pink under eyes. And I'll tell you what is really, really good for baggy under eyes is the Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder. I absolutely swear by this. Right, I'm just going to finish off this look and then you can see the finished result. Just realised I forgot to put the light on. So sorry, my dogs are barking like crazy, but that's that's basically the look using the Beauty Crop. Hope you like it.